Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best strategy for having a full-time job. We're going to be talking about tips and tricks that you guys need to start doing if you're working a 9-to-5, but you want to be a swing trader. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. We have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, how I find stocks, my approach, my mindset, everything. And we have an amazing sale for 51% off. You guys can get 51% off by using code XMIS24. So check that out down below. And guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's jump into this. Let's go. All right, so becoming a trader is one of the most popular things people want to become because they think that trading is this glorious thing where you make millions of dollars sitting on a beach in Costa Rica and you work an hour a day. No, trading is not like that. 99% of successful traders that do this full time, like myself, I don't sit on a beach. I vacation twice a year. And the reason why is because trading is a job. It's a career. You have to treat it like one. If you treat it like this get rich quick side hustle, you're going to get those results. You're going to get an account that goes up and down and crashes and burns. But if you treat trading like a job, like a career, like a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer, you're going to be in a great spot. Because why that's so important? Because you understand that becoming anything in this world, right, successful, you need to have education, have experience, put in the time, right? So if you're watching this video and this is the first trading video you've came across, the first thing I would recommend doing is to learn. Learn as much as you can, right? The more you learn, the more you're going to earn, and it's going to cut down on that learning period. The second thing you guys need to do is to paper trade. Paper trading is awesome because you can pretty much practice your strategies, your entries, your exits, your risk management skills without risking real money. After you do that, then start small. Fund an account with $200, $300, $400 and just get experience buying and selling with a real account. Build up the emotional tolerance, and then you guys could, start going a little heavy. But it takes time. It takes time to become a successful trader. So let's turn to the computer. Let's look at some of our strategies. All right. So this is our stock that we recently took a position with. Ticker symbol MLI. MLI here is a stock that I absolutely love. But before we ever trade a stock, you have to have a list, right? A checklist before you enter a trade saying, okay, the stock has all these set of parameters before I enter. What this does is it helps you not chase random stocks. It helps you choose quality, over quantity. So the first thing on my list is an upward trend with MLI here. You guys will notice we've seen great growth going from about $30 all the way up to almost $100. And then we had this sell off from $96 to about $77. So a lot of people get nervous of sell off, but for me, I look at sell-off as opportunity. And given this stock sold off, about 20%, this thing represents a huge upside potential. So the next thing I look for, I want to find some sort of support. Support could be a variety of things. It could be a certain price indicator, moving average line, whatever it may be. In this circumstance, right, look at this blue line. Okay, the last time it hit it, what happened? It had great buying pressure. Right? Previous to that, what happened? Let's see, right in here, it hit it, right? Great buying pressure. So now, right, the stock sold off down 20% to that line. So this is what we call a moving average line. Now, the blue one that I have right now is the 90-day EMA line. It's awesome. It acts as trends. It acts as, support, resistance, and so now you go, okay, well, yeah, you'd want to enter on the 90-day moving average line. Yes, but you don't want to just enter because of the moving average line. You also could look at the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. It helps track momentum inside the companies. Looking back here, the last time it was trading for, because it was trading for about a 32. The last time it was trading for a 32 was all the way back in September of 2023. And right in here where we saw this good move from 35 to about 37. And previous to that was in here where we had this good move, so pretty much what I'm getting at is, you want to look back at previous history because history just tends to repeat itself with most stocks. So the next thing here that I look at is I want to go to some sort of lower time frame. Now, in this circumstance with this stock here, let's go ahead and we're actually going to remove this and we're going to remove those moving average lines. Okay. We can draw this out a little bit more so you guys can see this trend a little better. So now you guys can see the hourly downward trend, right? Where it kind of just hits this trend line and just has a hard time breaking above it. So what we're looking for is a breakout. And that's exactly what happened. We entered here on this breakout and the stock just rallied its way up. So the great thing about trading and, all that good stuff is having and being able to have good risk management. And this is one of the reasons I use MOOMOO, which is the broker I am using. So I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stocks by signing up. But why they're so cool is because they have this long position tool. So what you can do is you can literally draw out your trade. So entering on that breakout, keeping our stop loss, so the max amount of money we're willing to lose, just below that, right, about 2%, for a possible push back up to, we're hoping to hit that $92 level, gives a 6.17 risk versus reward, right? So now here, let's go ahead and pull up this trade return calculator. This is why I love MOOMOO, honestly, is because they have that tool and you can plan this out. So if you're watching and you get one thing from this video, check out MOOMOO. But if you guys were starting out with like $500 and you take, one trade per week, you're risking that 2%. With the risk versus reward of 6.17, your win-loss percentage at 50-50, look what you would have after the course of a year. $6,000 off $500. Even if you had $100, calculate that out, you're over $1,200. So having good risk management, good risk versus reward is so incredibly important here. Now, obviously, the stock hasn't hit that $92 level, but one of the things here that I am doing is I have my stop loss just below this wick at about 82. If it dips down below it, we're still making over $1,000, right? Which is good. So now you're saying, Carter, well, how do you trade with with a full-time job? So one of the things here is having and being prepared. And this is why, like you guys can see here with this stock here, what do we notice, right? The stock has sold off down below these moving average lines, popped up above it. Now it's getting some buying pressure above it. But how do you be prepared? Set alerts, constantly look for opportunity, right? With MOOMOO, all you got to do is right click, set an alert, bam, bam. Now you're ready. If this thing pops up and starts breaking out, you can get in on this stock here. And look at this one. Great, 90-day moving average play. Could see an easily move from 83 to, 89. So trading, a lot of it is just being consistent, focusing on those small returns, and just don't expect to make $1 million. A lot of people go into trading expecting to get rich quick and to turn $100 into $1 billion. No, it's not like that. I'm sorry, it is not like that. And yes, you will find traders out there that will say, yes, you can learn to trade in 30 days. No, you can't. I'm sorry. It's very difficult. You can get lucky for a couple of months and make some money, but I am telling you, I could almost guarantee that if you don't learn and you jump into trading without education, experience, you're going to lose money. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, like, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. It's an 8-week course. You have lifetime access to it, private, live streams where you guys can ask questions, a group chat where you guys can ask more questions. And it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. We teach you how to find stocks, the scanners to use. So check it out, guys. Sign up with MOOMOO, and we'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.